Since I switched from my regular taillight, it initially had an incandescent bulb, of course. I bought one of these bulbs, which is an LED little Philips, whatever. My brake light modulator, the A101 or whatever it's called, worked great for this. Didn't work for incandescent because the incandescent can't flash quickly enough for the little modulator for you to see it. Basically, it just doesn't work. But this worked great, this little guy here. I have now switched to this, which is an LED array. Now the modulator does not work, but I believe I have a fix for it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. This is always just such a pain in the ass. Okay, and then we come into here. God. The hydraulics on these little stools is so strong, I can't even lower it. There's the little controller here. Ugh. Good Lord. That is some sticky tape. Okay, so here's my whole program of wiring I did in here recently. If you haven't seen it already, I'll post a link here in the description or whatever to the video where I modified my stock lighting to operate my turn signals as run and turn lights, because I wanted that additional lighting on the back of the bike for safety. I didn't buy the module, so I will show you how to build the little module to get that to work properly. If you're interested in that, look for that video, or there, wherever. Can you see on the controller here? It's a GS100-A. I think I called it a 101 or something earlier. You've got in and out. So we're going to be working on the out to the taillight. I've got very little room to work here, but I think I can do it. I don't want to unbundle all the stuff that I've already done, so I'm going to torture myself with restricted space because, you know, anybody can do it the easy way. So I'm going to go ahead and nip this, and I'm going to put a diode in here because I suspect what's happening to prevent that taillight from doing the little dance that this makes it do is that it's backfeeding power, and it's killing the flashing effect. I guess before I go cutting things open, I should show you what the problem is. So there's the taillight off, obviously. Not much modulation going on there, but we're gonna fix that. So here are the diodes. I'll show you the label in case you wanna order them. You get like a gross of them for like $1. No, they're not that cheap, but they're pretty cheap. If you notice, they are in here a certain way. There, see the red and the white? Presumably what that means, because the way diodes are set up, the power flows on a diode toward the tip here, a little silver tip. Power goes that way. So if you put this in, you know, the power flow trying to go there, it doesn't work. I should have the battery unhooked. So first thing, remember we've got the in and the out, and we're working on the out wires. Just gonna cut it there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this diode in line and see if that solves our flashity flash problem, or lack of flashity flash. So I'm just going to trim the legs off of here because I don't need them that long. Oh, my legs! Oh my god! Oh, my other leg. So we're left with a legless diode. These are heat shrink tube. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh, there it is. Oh, that was lucky. if your soldering iron is not clean, this thing will like fight you to the death to get a decent solder joint. So all it is a wet sponge, plain old water. Lighter. So there we go. There's part of it. Oh, that's it. But before I put that together, I'm going to test it. Hey, look at that. Woohoo! It works. All right, that's the trick. We're gonna go ahead and button it back up. So we'll just slide our little heat shieldy stuff, not heat shield, but you know the thing. Heat shrink tube. There we go. That's it. I'm gonna put a new piece of two-sided tape on there because yeah, there's bugs stuck on there. Yuck. After a thorough cleaning with alcohol to get all the old adhesive off, stick a new little piece on here. I guess we'll go that way. Keep this little guy from bouncing around still. Well, that was short and sweet and hopefully helpful. And as always, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.